All right, let's go check out this blow-up valve. Car's warming up, so give it some time, boys. This is the Boomba bypass valve. Some test pulls for you. Pretty warm. Oh, you can definitely already hear the flutter from my ears. All right, so this is the Boomba bypass valve. Just give it a listen. No AC. Haven't hit boost yet, but there is some fluttering still. Letting my car warm up. I usually like to have it around 180 degrees Fahrenheit on the oil temp before I really push it. But even so, you can hear that flutter faintly. It's a really hot day though, so engine should have warmed up real quick. It's 92 right now. Sounds so intoxicating. I love it. So just wrapping up some conclusions of the install. The install was super easy. Just take out the bottom piece. I know some people do it from the top, but do it from the bottom. It's way easier. It's like a few pop clips, and everything's really self-explanatory from the bottom. You just pop out the pop clips, and then your bypass valve and your inlet tube is right there. Take the inlet tube off with the two 10s, and you pretty much have access to it. It's real simple. Anybody can do it, so if you're afraid to do it, don't be. It's an easy job. Honestly, all you need is like an 8, a 10, and a 12, a flathead screwdriver, and some pliers. That's it. Easy tools. Everyone usually has that stuff, and if you don't, you can get an AutoZone for cheap. But yeah, it's such a good... Oh, green lights. Let's just go. But yeah, so it's a really good product. I'm really happy. It's $150 and prevents, your stock one doesn't really leak, but with the testings on Boomba's YouTube, it showed like it it's just not handling, like this thing can definitely handle any kind of boost pressure and it'll be consistent. Also, because of the bypass valve from Boomba is made out of like an aluminum or metal construction compared to the plastic housing. You look at the, if you look at the two housings, one looks really cheap, so looks wise it looks a lot better. I think you'll be very happy with this construction. And if you're on a stock setup, again, they have dyno sheets of it actually having better performance. It's something like 10 horsepower and something torque, but it's actually a pretty big gain because they said, yeah, the stock one kind of leaks boost out, and leaking boost equals leaking some power. So yeah, I'm really happy with this product. Go get this and enjoy the fluttering sound that is the bypass valve from Boomba. For it. Alright guys, so I took out the old one. It's actually a really easy job, so don't be scared to get it. And here's the new one. You can tell this, I got the red one. I opted for that. It was the only one in stock. I wanted black, but hey, what you gonna do? You can see the interior. How it works like that. And close right here. Nose right there. So, just gonna swap it in. Let me show you kind of okay, I left a lot of things dangling, okay, to be honest, but this is the easiest way for me. It's the quickest and laziest and easiest way, and you just put this back in. Yeah. That's so sick, dude. Never gets old, dude. You're good. Oh shit. And now I have the